One of the best ways to save time and money is new Walmart Plus. I'm super excited about this. I've been using it to make my life easier, make things happen faster. I want to tell you a little bit about it. Life on the road as an airline pilot, one of the ways to make it a lot easier is with delivery food from the Walmart Plus app. And another feature that's super handy is the scan and go. So we're able to grab stuff, just walk out to the checkout line. So I'm gonna walk you through how I've been using Walmart Plus, both for delivery to my hotel and also for the scan and go feature to make checking out just a little bit easier. So if you've been wondering, how does the scan and go work? This is really for me. Check this video out. We're going to talk about it a little bit more. The scan and go feature is a mobile checkout feature rolled out on your iPhone. So as you roll through the store and you select your goods, you can scan them as you put them in your cart. As you're scanning your stuff and putting it in your cart, you're also building your checkout. So all you have to do when you get up front is just scan a QR code on the checkout register and it'll give you a digital receipt right on your phone. So these are two things I found super helpful, the delivery and the scan and go with Walmart Plus. Please leave me a comment down below, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you around for more useful tips and life hacks.